As a sole provider in my family, I need to be able to always make sure that I've got enough money to take care of the occurring bills every month. And also, I have a 74-year-old mom who I look after and take care of. But I'm not able to spoil her and say, okay, mom, go on holiday, because she always wants to go away on holiday with my younger brother or with the pets. So, I don't always have the money to do that. So I haven't been able to set aside savings or retirement funds. So, I really worry about how am I going to take care of myself and my family when I get older. And this is a real concern because I live in a country where there is no retirement fund, where I have to take care of it myself because I've been self-employed my whole life, and it's something that you need to set aside for yourself every month. So I haven't been able to do that. For example, with my mom, for instance, she's now of the age where she requires full medical aid cover. Not because she's unhealthy, thank God she's healthy, but because it's a necessity in this country. Because if you don't have proper medical aid cover, you don't get medical care. So, that's a real concern for me. And I've got to be able to earn that money to be able to pay for that, but also for myself and the rest of my family for when we get older. So it's really a pressure point for me all the time. So my mind is constantly worrying about how I'm going to take care of my retirement. I sell real estate as my current profession, and I could do 2 or 3 deals in a month, but only one might go through because the other 2 didn't qualify for the finance. So that's also a real pressure. I don't always have access to extra money. So, I need to be able to find ways to be able to take care of these pressure points, being able to have the peace of mind to know that my mom has full medical aid. God forbid if anything happens and she needs to have blood tests done, or she needs to have x-rays done, or she's got to go in to have her cataracts cleared up. Those are real expenses, very high bills in this country. Not to even mention my pension. So I've really left my retirement fund way too late. I should have taken care of it a lot earlier. So now I'm at that point where I realize that I really need to actually make an effort to set aside funds for my retirement income. And that's the reason why I started thinking about the digital online business, trying to earn an income where I was earning a passive income on the internet, where my time isn't always required to be in that business permanently like it is in the real estate. So when I get older, I've already got an established digital business that's earning an income for me, and I can work less hours. So when this friend of mine introduced the digital business to me, and thank God she did that, because since she did that, I'm feeling a lot better about my retirement, where I can actually worry less, and I can now start being more creative and looking forward with excitement to the future. I'm first generation South African Italian, and in our culture, we need to take care of our family. That makes us happy. If you come to our home, we like to cook you a meal. I cannot be happy unless I'm taking care of my family and knowing that I have provided for them. That if I can't work, like for instance, the other day, I actually pulled my back out just going to the bathroom. I mean, that's crazy. But I'm also getting older. So now I've got a sore back, and if I can't work, God forbid, I can't make money that future. So, if I get sick with flu, it doesn't matter. I still got to work, because if I don't work, I don't make money. And if I don't make money, I can't pay the bills at the end of the month. So, it's this vicious hamster wheel that I'm running on, and I've left my retirement too late. So I really, really, really need to now prioritize it. So thank goodness my girlfriend introduced this digital business to me, because now I'm able to actually take a deep breath and refocus and look forward to the future enthusiastically, with hope, with gratitude and joy, knowing that I've discovered a passive income, a route to be able to create a passive income, save some money, and be able to build for my retirement. So when I wanted to do the internet business, and I was thinking, how can I create a passive income so that my income is reoccurring, unlike real estate where I have to start every month from scratch. I don't want to work until I'm 80 years old. You know what I mean? Like I'm exhausted just thinking about it. So please, God, I don't want to do that. So thank God I've discovered this digital online business from my friend in the UK, and I'm so grateful that I was able to implement that and start on my retirement savings from the 5th of September. So, these are all wonderful opportunities that I'm now able to realize because of my friend introducing this digital online business to me. So really, I can actually now enjoy the fact that I'm able to do something about my retirement, because before this I was really worried. I didn't know how to build more money, how to make more money, pushing myself already the way I was. So from this point of view, I can now also take care of my health. I can also take care of my well-being. So if I want to be able to go and have blood tests done or have a massage because I've hurt my back, I now have the means and the way to stop worrying about how I'm spending money for the future, but I've got it now and I've got it for the future. So I'm really looking forward to my retirement now.